back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this evening glam. Now, I'm just using the majority of my favorite products, all of my go-tos. Typically, when I go out in the evenings, I know I'm going to be taking pictures, so I always try to use all of my go-tos, the ones that have never failed me, the ones that always make me look nice and flawless in pictures, videos. So we're just gonna jump right in, and I hope you enjoy.
Hey baby girl, roll down your window. I love to see your hair flow when the wind blows. Even if the money been slow. Hey, to you it don't matter, cause you still gon' ride with me. You still gon' ride with me. I say you still gon' ride with me.
So as always, we're starting off with a clean face. I just jumped out of the shower, so there's no products on my skin right now. We're going to start off by prepping the face using the MAC Fix Plus Pink Light Prep Spray. I'm just going to spray this all over the face. I really love this Fix Plus Pink Light Edition because it dispenses little rose gold particles, and you can see it's all over my skin, so I feel like my skin is already glowing. So now we're going to move on to primer. Today I'm going to be priming my face using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'R Instant Retouch Primer. I love this primer. It smells so good. For color corrector today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Camo Color Corrector. This is hands down my favorite color corrector. It really helps hide all this discoloration I have, specifically around my lips. I don't know why I have so much discoloration around my lips. I hate it. Before we move on to foundation, I'm just pressing that product in using my beauty blender just to make sure it's all in there. And this will be easier when I put on my foundation. It'll just blend really seamless. For foundation today, I'm going to be going in with the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. This is in the shade Medium 4, also known as Barcelona. And the way that I like to apply my foundation is I like to put one pump right on my arm, and then with my finger go in and just place it evenly on the skin, and then I'll go in with my beauty blender and blend it all out. For concealer today, I'm going to be going in with the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer, and I'm just going to be putting it, of course, right under the eyes to cover my gross bags. And then I'm just going to put a little bit around my lips because, again, that discoloration, and it helps. Now with my beauty blender, I'm just going to be blending this all in the face. Next, using my dry Fenty Beauty blending sponge, I'm going to be going in using the Mercier translucent powder to bake my face. This Mercier translucent setting powder is still by far one of my favorite setting powders. Every time I use this and I take photos, I've never gotten flashbacks. I've never gotten this white stuff, and I can't say that about every setting powder that I've tried. So this is always my go-to. For my eyebrows today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade. I always use this. This is nothing new. This is one of my most loyal confidants. I can always trust that my eyebrows are going to look nice and snatched using this product. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to move on to my eye makeup. I'm going to start by prepping the eye I'm going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm using this color Lucid right here. And with my dry Fenty Beauty blending sponge, I'm just going to go in and I'm just patting all of this powder on my face. So after I've packed that base powder on the eyelid, I'm going to go in with a blending brush and just brush it all out. This is going to help smooth the texture of the eyelid, so when it is time to go in with eyeshadow, it'll be a lot easier to blend all the colors together. I'm going to do a quick check on the eyelid just to make sure it feels nice and smooth so that it's ready to apply color. For today's eye makeup, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35F Fall into Frost eyeshadow palette, and for my transition color, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. It's called Sand. So next I'm going to be going in with the shade Fortune, and it's from the same 35F palette. And with this color, I'm going to be focusing it on the outer corner of my eye and then it's shaping the crease. So if this were like a daytime kind of look, I would stop there and just do my lid color, which would probably be something shimmery. But since this is an evening type of look, I want to just darken the eyes up just a little bit. So I'm going to be going in using this shade right here from the same 35F Morphe palette. It's called Gem. And as you can see, ever so lightly, I'm just focusing this color on the outer corner of the lid. Now that that shade is all blended in together, I'm ready to go in with my lid color. For today's look, my outfit's gonna be like this gold shimmery dress. So for my lid color, I thought it would be appropriate to use this shade right here, which is called Sunkissed from the same 35F palette. I'm gonna spray a little bit of the original Fix Plus on my brush so that it's nice and wet. And then I can apply the color all over the lid. Okay, so I think that I've baked enough. So I'm just gonna take all of this baking powder off. I'm still not done with my eyes. I'm gonna add a little wing liner here. And for this, I'm gonna be using the Tarte gel liner. Okay, so now that my wing liner is on, I'm going to go ahead and add some color to the lower lash line here just to make my eyes pop that much more. I'm going to be going in using that same color that I used for the lid. It's called Gem, and it's from the same 35F palette. So I just put a generous amount on this brush. I'm going to go ahead just to make sure I'm as precise as I can be. I'm going to stretch the skin just a little bit using a dry beauty sponge. I'm just going to bring it down and then just add the color. Okay, so this is the last step, I promise. I'm going to just be adding a little bit of highlight in the inner corner of my eyes. I'll be hitting it with this shade right here from the same 35F palette, and this is in the shade Champagne. So again, generous amount. So finally, I'm ready to bronze this face up. I'm looking a little pale. For today's bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the KKW Beauty Powder Contour and Highlight Kit. This is in the medium kit. So when I'm going across and like shaping my forehead, I'm going to be using this shade right here. But when it's time to do like my cheekbones and stuff like that, I'm going to be using this style contour. So I always prefer like a more red toned contour on my cheekbones, only because if it has like a dark underlining to it, then it looks like I have mud on my cheekbones, and I hate that. So any kind of like red contour is gonna make it look the most natural. Just hitting the cheekbone everywhere that I want it. For my nose today, I'm going to be using the same shade I used for my cheekbones from the KKW Beauty Powder Contour and Highlighting Kit. For highlight today, I'm going to be using the YSL Liquid Highlighter. I love this highlighter so much. It just gives me like that natural glow that I love. I'll be using the same YSL highlighter to highlight my brow bone. For For lips today, first I'm going to be going in with the NYX lip liner. This is in the shade Natural. And then I'm going to be going in with the shade Ashton by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Finally, for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty lashes, and these are in the style Farrah. Okay, last step, I'm going to go ahead and set this face using the Morphe setting spray. I love this spray. I said this in my last video. I don't know how I was doing my makeup without this. So that's going to be a wrap for today's evening glam look. Now, if you have any questions regarding any of the products, any brushes, anything that I used in this video to create this look, please feel free to shoot me a question in the comment section below. But as always, I'll try to be as descriptive as I can be in the description. Otherwise, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Lamasbella, and I'm so thankful that you've come across my channel. I really hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Okay, that's really all that I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for everything, for watching all my videos. I really appreciate it. You have no idea. Other than that, I'll see you in my next one.